Hello, and thanks for joining today's session on enhancing employee experience and productivity with OneLogin. In our session today, we'll explore some common challenges in access management and OneLogin's role in solving those challenges. We'll also cover OneLogin's SSO and MFA capabilities, and we'll wrap up the session focusing on how OneLogin can deliver a world-class user experience. To kick us off, let's jump into some of the challenges organizations face with access management. First on the list is password overload. Believe it or not, this scenario still plagues a lot of organizations, and as a result, employees managing multiple passwords not only suffer from fatigue, but it also generates a surge in service desk requests. This increase places heavy operational burden and cost on your organization. Next, we'll shift our focus to user frustration. Cumbersome logins, they're more than just an inconvenience, they're productivity killers. When the login process starts to become a hurdle rather than a gateway, you should expect that your employees will inevitably grow to become very frustrated or even angry. Moving on, we have onboarding and offboarding. This is the process of granting or revoking access when an employee starts or leaves the company. Often, this process is marked by delays and inconsistencies, and it comes with a heavy reliance on manual procedures. It's these manual efforts that not only pose security risks, but they also bring about compliance issues and costly operational inefficiencies. And in today's tech-driven world where mobile devices have become rulers of productivity, the mobile workforce is more prevalent than ever. The ability to ensure secure access from anywhere is no longer a luxury, it's an absolute necessity. This leaves organizations questioning how they can effectively manage a workforce that operates from diverse locations. And lastly, let's talk about security concerns. Inconsistent access permissions, shadow IT practices, and inadequate access monitoring all contribute to security vulnerabilities, and these must be addressed head on. And this is obviously where OneLogin comes into play. So now we've shed some light on some of these access management challenges organizations face, it's time to introduce OneLogin as a solution to those challenges. First and foremost, OneLogin is here to simplify access. Our platform is designed to streamline the entire login process, allowing users to just log in once and gain access to multiple apps. Here, it's all about simplifying your access journey. But it's not necessarily just about ease, it's also about enhancing security. OneLogin provides an additional layer of security through MFA. This added security layer acts as a safeguard against unauthorized access, ensuring that your data remains protected and your systems fortified. Now we'll look into OneLogin's integration capabilities. Here, we can seamlessly integrate with a wide array of apps and systems. This really fosters a unified access experience, which means no more siloed access points, allowing for a more connected and efficient approach. And lastly, we emphasize the importance of compliance alignment. With OneLogin, you can rest assured that your company aligns with the industry standards and regulations. This alignment not only mitigates legal and financial risks, but it also provides a peace of mind in an increasingly regulated world. So in essence, OneLogin is here to simplify access, enhance security, facilitate seamless integrations, all while ensuring compliance. Next, let's dive a little deeper into the OneLogin platform and zoom in on SSO, which is a key component of OneLogin's arsenal when it comes to improving productivity and efficiency. At its core, SSO is all about simplified access. It enables users to log in once and access multiple apps seamlessly, all with a single set of credentials. But SSO is not just about simplicity, it's also about enhancing productivity. By simply eliminating the need for users to remember multiple passwords, SSO alleviates password fatigue, reducing the number of support requests. And as a result, your workforce can now focus on what they do best rather than wrestling with forgotten passwords. And we can't forget about the security enhancements SSO offers. By centralizing authentication, organizations can implement rigor around password policies and authentication methods, effectively mitigating the risk of weak or recycled passwords. This really underscores how SSO strengthens an organization's defense against vulnerabilities associated with passwords. Now we'll shift our attention to MFA, which plays an integral role in OneLogin's security strategy. To begin, MFA is fundamentally about increasing security. It achieves this by demanding users to provide 2 or more verification factors beyond just a password. This additional layer of authentication means that even if a password is compromised, unauthorized access still remains a formidable foe. Here, MFA essentially stands as our steadfast guardian, protecting against unauthorized access. It significantly diminishes the risk of unwanted entry into your systems and data, and in the event of password breaches, MFA stands a very robust barrier. When it comes to user experience, there's often a misconception about MFA, which some see as causing friction during the login process. But here's the thing, that's not entirely true, especially with OneLogin. We're all about providing a user-friendly experience. So despite the extra layers of security, MFA can actually be quite smooth and intuitive for users. It doesn't have to be a hassle or frustrating. OneLogin makes it easy to strike the right balance between having top-notch security and user convenience. Now we'll take a peek into our cutting-edge security approach with OneLogin Smart Factor Authentication and how we can take security and user experience to the next level. So at its core, Smart Factor is all about increasing security through advanced technologies such as machine learning to analyze a broad spectrum of factors such as location, device, and user behavior. OneLogin can calculate risk scores and determine the most suitable security action for each login attempt. This is literally the embodiment of security intelligence. Additionally, Smart Factor takes it a step further by leveraging risk insights from our Vigilance AI engine that allows OneLogin to dynamically configure login flows and decide whether to prompt users for MFA. And what's truly remarkable about all this is that despite the added layers of security, Smart Factor is really designed to provide a rich, user-friendly experience. This showcases that advanced security measures don't need to be complex or intrusive. They can easily weave into your user experience, allowing you to strike that perfect balance between security and usability. This really stands as a testament to OneLogin's unwavering commitment to both security innovation and providing user-friendly experiences. Now we'll shift our focus to the importance of providing your users with a seamless access experience. First and foremost is our commitment in prioritizing user convenience. We've reimagined access management to simplify users' lives, ensuring they no longer need to grapple with complex authentication processes or remember numerous accounts. It's all about crafting a world where every interaction with technology can be seamless and enjoyable. And our dedication to ease of use shines through in our intuitive interface and straightforward login process. We've meticulously designed these features to create a hassle-free experience for employees, allowing them to concentrate on their work rather than the complexity of accessing applications. Next is access from anywhere. This is really a cornerstone of our approach. Regardless of whether employees are in the office or working remotely, they can effortlessly access their resources. We've eliminated complications, making access just a click away. Now that we've reviewed how OneLogin provides a seamless access experience, let's look how access is further optimized using OneLogin. We emphasize centralized access. Here, OneLogin seamlessly integrates with a wide array of apps, resulting in the user's ability to access these apps all from a single user-friendly portal. So you should easily be able to imagine having all your tools and apps at your fingertips, all accessible from just one place. But it's not just about centralizing access, it's all about simplifying workflows. With OneLogin, the days of remembering multiple login credentials or having to navigate through numerous login pages are behind you. We've simplified it to a point where access to your apps is as easy as one click. And here's where it gets really exciting. Efficiency boost. Streamlined access doesn't just save time, it really catapults your efficiency to new heights. It eliminates the complexity of logging into multiple apps, freeing you to focus on what truly matters, and that's your work. So to really sum this slide up, We're here to redefine the way you interact with your digital toolkit, making it an intuitive, productive, and enjoyable experience. And as we wrap up our session today, let's explore the transformative power of simplified user experience with OneLogin. Central to this concept is effortless access, where we have essentially reimagined a world where users can seamlessly access apps without the heavy burden of remembering multiple passwords. But we've even taken it a step further by offering a passwordless authentication option, allowing users to more easily and effortlessly navigate their digital lives. But that's just the beginning. Reduced friction is really where the magic starts to happen. OneLogin's intuitive interface acts as a virtual bridge, minimizing user friction and ensuring a smooth login experience. We believe that technology should empower, not hinder, and that's precisely what we've achieved with OneLogin. And more importantly is the outcome of all of this, which is quick access. Users can swiftly access their resources regardless of their location or the device they're using. This quick access directly translates into improved productivity and efficiency, making every minute spent interacting with technology count. So to put it simple, simplified user experience is more than just ease of access. It's about empowerment. With OneLogin, we're changing the game by ensuring that technology is a tool that elevates your daily experience rather than complicating it. We're dedicating to simplifying the digital world one login at a time. So as we conclude today's session, remember that simplified user experience isn't just a concept, it can be very real with OneLogin. Thank you for joining me today. I truly appreciate your time and attention. Have a wonderful day.